Kyrgyzstan is a combination of harmony and purity of nature, mountaintops in the skies of 1,000 mountain lakes and raging rivers. In the Chronicle of World History, the Kyrgyz are described as one of the most ancient peoples which held high the banner of the great culture of nomads. Its stocks of pure water are some of the finest in the world. A special pride of Kyrgyzstan are fine, high mountainous lakes. Kyrgyzstan, a democratic country, declared its independence in 1991. The capital is Bishkek. The bases of the economy of Kyrgyzstan are agriculture, hydroenergy, mining, mineral processing, and manufacturing. Kyrgyzstan is exceptionally well endowed with mineral deposits. It attracts investors from all over the world, and mining is considered one of the main supports of the economy of Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstan is the center of a great culture. Incomparable with anything in the world, the oral poetic epic Manas was recognized by the United Nations as a world spiritual treasure of mankind in 1995. The 1000th anniversary of this epic was celebrated by the whole world in that year. Kyrgyzstan is a surprising country comprising the cultural riches of the whole world. Kyrgyzstan is a country with a big future. Welcome to the heart of Asia, to the country of great mountains and great culture.